How to use Android Studio for beginners. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you just the very basic parts of using Android Studio. But all you have to do first before doing so is of course to download the specific client or the file. Just open up your preferred web browser and then head into developer.android.com, which is going to be here. Now their 2026 update is going to be the Android Studio Panda 3. So make sure to click this download link right here and make sure to fully install it on your operating system. Now once you've installed this is going to be your setup wizard. Just hit on next, and then in here you can choose the installation type if it is for standard or custom. For custom is actually a customized installation settings and components installed. But for now, let's just head straight on standard. Now hit on next, and then choose on accept and choose on next. Now, once the download has been done, which is going to be the sources file, click on Finish, and then you will automatically be redirected into their dashboard. Now, before doing so, it actually provides a comprehensive suite of tools that allows developers to design, build, test, and debug applications for all Android-powered devices. For you to start, you can go ahead and click on a new project, and then from here, choose between these options here like phone and tablet, Wear OS, television, car, and XR. Once you hit on next, you can go ahead and start your project. And that is how you use Android Studio for beginners.